everybody. We are going to start a tutorial video of a game I've been wanting to do for a little while. It is a very old game. So, get into this. Alright. Well, that start. So, I do have an existing profile, but here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to hit that, and I'm press load, and I'm gonna come down there. Now, first of all, you going to the thing. I named my character, my guy character Tor. Our rival is Gary. We have that old Nintendo system laying there. First of all, you guys, if you come over to your computer and you boot up your PC, you'll say item storage. Click on that and withdraw item. You'll have one free Pokemon potion. I recommend grabbing that before you leave. Now, just for the sake of sakes, I might use a couple of cheat codes, not any big ones. Well, one of them is, but, you know, sort of. So, if you guys want to use them, you can. You're playing along. I'm gonna use it. Oh my god, I forgot it. No, I literally deleted the cheat code. So, y'all, I'm gonna pause it. Alright, everybody, so I got the cheat code. I'm gonna put it in for you guys. So, if you want to use it, you can. You're gonna label it all 3 start. Forgive me. I'm tired today. So I'm gonna hit next. It's gonna ask you for a code. You're going to type in 83000 capital F 9 capital C space then 4 zeros. There you have it. I will leave that up for a few seconds. Alright, so we're going. It's going to ask you for the cheat type. You're going to come down here and you're going to hit code breaker. Okay. So what that is going to allow you to do is... Oh, come on, you stupid ass. Okay. So what that is going to allow you to do is when you walk over here, press around, going to come running out and say, hey, wait, don't go out there. So you're going to wait a second. I won't do that. Had to move my air bubble, y'all. So it says you need a Pokemon for your protection. I know. Here, come with me. Let me see if I remember how to do this. a very, very long time since I did this. Okay, so Gary, our rival, starts battling on, and then they just tell us about, like Pokemon and how they work. And then he tells us like he's too old and he can't do it no more. So he says, go on, choose one. Gary gets all pissed off. And his grandfather tells him, be patient, bitch. I think. Oh, wait, I'm gonna do them all. Never mind. Hey, it doesn't matter which one I choose first. Okay, so you're gonna press A and then it will take you to the Bulbasaur screen. And hit here. Hit it again when this pops up. And hit the thing. And down here, turn sheets. Make sure this little box is blue. And you view. It'll pop up, so this might cause an error. Now when it gives you the message of do you want to give your Bulbasaur a nickname, move over, tap on Squirtle. You do have to turn the cheat code off and on a few times, but it is really worth it. Oh my god, you stupid ads. Back down here, then on, hit OK. Oh, please tell me I received Squirtle. I'm gonna be really mad if I did not. Okay, so it says Gary received a Squirtle, and there's no Pokemon on the table at the moment. So, as you see here, we now have Bulbasaur, Squirtle, and Charmander. I'm gonna switch Bulbasaur with Charmander, because I like fire-type Pokemon better. Okay, so I want to point this out real quick. I don't know if y'all see it. Well, you obviously do. Right where my people are 2 Pokedex. We don't get those until I go all the way into town. But I think, yep. Okay, so Gary has challenged us to a battle. Although he is going to get his ass kicked. But, hey. Oh, shit, I just made a big mistake. Okay, so this is just Professor Oak explaining how Pokemon battles work. First one to drain the other's life points wins. You get money for battling other trainers. Yeah. So if you guys are playing along, you can go through this. I'm not going to go through it just for the sake of time, because I don't have much storage on my phone. So that means I can only record like a few minutes. But you can pause the video if you want. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead. Use scratch. Charmander. Selecting damage on a foe is key in any battle. Luckily, normally if they had a water and fire type move, like the special ones, a Charmander would lose this battle very badly. But all Squirtle knows is Tail Whip, and Charmander only knows Growl, and Scratch. So, thank God that, Squirtle only knows Tail Whip, or we keep Toast. We could use our other two, but... Yay! So, we won the battle. Charmander has gained 70 XP. And he grew to level 6. Player defeat rival Gary. What? Unbelievable! I picked the wrong Pokemon. Excellent. If you win, you earn prize money, and your Pokemon will grow. Battle other trainers and make your Pokemon strong. Gary. Okay, I'll make my Pokemon battle to toughen up. Sure, Gramps. Love you later. So he goes out the door. Now, I'm gonna get a head start and one second, people. I gotta make sure I turn that cheat code off. Okay, let's see. Now, if you come over here, oh, not yet. So, later on, once you go and retrieve the package in town, oh my goodness God. Hey, wait a minute. I can catch Pidgey in a minute. So, I have a cheat code on here. I use a lot of cheat codes, people. Not a lot, just these are the basic ones, my Master Ball cheat and my Rare Candy cheat. The other Fly, Warp, and Surf I can't really do until later on, so yeah, so I'm gonna hit that, press OK.
Easy Liner brand features a...
It's gonna send me to an ad, like always. Oh my goodness. Okay, Pidgey. I get it. Get it, my dude. Try to make this battle go as quick as possible. So basically, with those cheat codes in play, I can walk back up to my room, go to my computer, and I should be able to access my item database and pull out Master Balls and some Rare Candies. I keep forgetting I don't have the running shoes on this one. Okay, so here we are at the computer. Item storage. Draw one. Now when you do that, you're going to see it says Rare Candy and then X question mark 35. Come over here. So that cheat code, and turn Rare Candy off because it is a dominant cheat code. So, like, you won't get both of them if you still have that one. So, right now, I'm just going to leave those alone, but I will still have them at any Pokemon Center. Right now, I do need these, though. These are key. And I usually go with about 100. That way I can tell when I have captured 100 Pokemon. Big celebration, you know. Alright, so, we're gonna take a quick nap. Alright, so, here we go. And, so basically, what you're gonna do from here is you are going to go into town. You notice, once I got Pokeballs, oh, no. Okay, Pidgey. Kinda figured. So I think after I beat Pidgey right now, I am going to, level up. I'm pretty sure. Yep. And I should learn Ember with Charmander. Yes, Charmander learned Ember. So that will come in handy. Although, what really stinks is I just killed that Pidgey and I could have captured it. So, I'm probably going to make this one a 20-minute video. And then post it and record. And there's Pidgey again, thank God. Pidgey's a really good Pokemon. Evolves into Pidgeotto and then Pidgeot. So, and this should be really quickly because I'm just going to capture it. Oh, I have 2 rare candies. That is cool. I might use those. For the Master Ball. Or use the Master Ball, okay. And there we go. We just caught Pidgey. Most Pokemon cannot escape the Master Ball. So yeah, Pidgey's stuff is going to be recorded into the Pokedex. I don't really nickname my Pokemon just for the sake of, just for the sake that, I like to keep it OG original, you know what I'm saying? And I think I'm going to end this one at about the 20-minute mark. Somewhere in there, just because after 20 minutes, it starts using up a lot of memory on my phone. And I do plan to record the second episode today. And then I'll post them up one by one. So, yeah. And I'll do like 20-minute episodes each. But I really need to do it. Stop talking, get further. I think that's the main problem in every one of my videos. Is I get talking and I don't really pay attention to detail. Okay, so here we are at the Pokemon Market. As soon as we walk in the door, the guy says, "Hey, you came from Pallet Town. You know Professor Oak, right? His order came in. Can I get you to take it to him?" Tor received Oak's parcel. Put parcel in the key item's pocket. Okay, thanks. Please say hi to Professor Oak for me too. So we're gonna run back to the the lab, and then I think I'm gonna cut the video off and do the next episode. So yeah, that's gonna be video 1 of 2 for today. And I really hope you guys enjoy this series. I really have been wanting to do it for a while. And yeah, so here we are. We're going to walk in to Professor Oak. Oh, Tora, how is my old Pokemon? Well, it seems to be growing more attached to you. You must be talented as a Pokemon trainer. What's that? You have something for me? Tor delivered Oak's parcel. Ah, it's a... Oh, no, sorry. It was custom Pokeballs that came in. I forgot. I had it on order. Thank you. Gary, Gramps! Gramps, I almost forgot. What did you call me for? Huh? Oh, right. I have a request for you two. On this desk is my invention, the Pokedex. It automatically records data on Pokemon you've seen or caught. It's funny because we've already caught Pidgey and Rattata and added them to our Pokedex. So we are kind of ahead of Gary here. Sure, Gary, take these with you. You can get detailed data on Pokemon by just seeing them. You must catch them to obtain complete data. So, here are some tools for catching wild Pokemon. Tor got 5 Pokeballs along with Gary. When a wild Pokemon appears, it's fair game. Just throw a Pokeball and try to catch it. This won't always work. However, a healthy Pokemon can escape if you have to be lucky to make a complete guide for all the Pokemon in the world. That was my dream, but I'm too old. I can't get the job done. Loser! So, I want you two to fulfill my dream for me. Get moving, you two. This is a great undertaking in Pokemon history. Great. Alright, Gramps, leave it all to me. Sure, I hate to say it, but you won't be necessary for this. I know, I'll borrow a town map from my sis. I'll tell her not to lend you one. Tora, ha 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 ha. Don't bother coming around my place after this. Ooh, that fury. Alright, so, I think I'm gonna end this by picking up a town map from his sister. Although he said he was gonna tell her not to lend me one. We come over here, talk to her. She'll loan you the town map on the table. And there you go. So, that's that for today. I'm going to record another episode here shortly, once this one posts. But, thank you guys for watching. Peace.